Shelter now. NWS issued a tornado warning for Jefferson County. Move to the safest location. Severe weather statement. National Weather Service Milwaukee/Sullivan WI 6:17 p.m. CDT Thursday, April 2nd, 2026 WIC 055-105-0222345-o.com.kmkx.2.w.0001000
Oh boy.
T000T20.30T2345Z/rock WI Jefferson WI 6:17 p.m. CDT Thursday, April 2nd, 2026. A tornado warning remains in effect until 6:45 p.m. CDT for eastern Rock and southwestern Jefferson counties. At 6:16 p.m. CDT, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Janesville, moving northeast at 40 mph. Hazard. Tornado. Source. Weather spotters reported persistent rotating wall cloud and a funnel cloud near Janesville. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Janesville, Milton, and Lake Koshkonong around 6:20 p.m. CDT.
Nice pronunciation there.
Atkinson around 6:30 p.m. CDT. Whitewater around 6:35 p.m. CDT. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Hanover and Leiden. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substan.
There it is. I knew he was going to get cut off eventually, but that one was a gem. I'm glad I caught it.